I think the Albanian language is like really, really fascinating language. The more you study it, the more interesting it becomes and the deeper meaning it has. And it is such a simple language at the same time. It uses the least possible amount of energy for you to express yourself compared to any other language. Like you see that it is ancient just by the way it is organized and the way it functions. For example, if you take the combinations of consonants and vowels, basically just two-letter words with like a two-sound form, like you can take the combination of B and A, C and A, D and A, F and A, G and A, and whatever, you will get words. So I'll go through some words that I have a list here, and I think it's just fascinating, and all have a meaning. Like ba, to do. Be, it's the oath, it's to swear, by be. B, I'm falling. Bo, do, con bo, I did something. Ca, some. Cha, what. Cho, like to lift. Chu, to stand up. Da, to divide. Di, to know. Do, to do, dua become, I love you. Do, want, he wants, I do. Do, to. Fe, faith. Ha, eat. Huh, hey, what? He, going, inside. He. Or he, Miranda, I go inside. Ya, here. Ye, ti, you are, ye, you are. Ki, you have. Ku, were. Ku, this, that. La, washed. Lu, painted. Ma, and then just continues like ma, me, mi, mo, mu, na, ne, ni, no, pa, pe, pi, po, pu, cha, che, che, cha, chu, ra, re, ri, ru, sa, se, si, su, ta, te, ti, to, tu, tu, ve, vi, vo, vu, vu, zan, ze, zi, zo, zan, or zi. So it's like so fascinating if you just get into your own language. If you study the Albanian language, that was just like the B and the A and the C, you can just make any kind of combination in your mind and you will get a meaningful word in the Albanian language. Like, that's fascinating.